everyone! It's busy today. Baby Truck and Max the monster truck need a tyre change. But where's Max? Oh, hello, Max! Go, go, mechanicals! Yellow! No! Yellow's gone and bumped her head. So it's over to you, blue and red. Spinning screwdrivers! Come on, Yellow! Looks like the tyres got mixed up. It's okay. We all make mistakes. We just need to swap the tyres back. Oh, don't worry, Max. We'll soon sort this out. Yuck! Oh. Baby Truck, we know you're having fun, but they're Max's tyres. Shall we give them back to him now? Oh, well done, Baby Truck. It's important to always give things back after you borrow them. See you again soon. Bye!